Hi, how you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main. I'm with Stanley Warren. Stanley is one of our crew leaders. He's been with us for about 30 years, right, Stanley?
Yeah, approximately, yeah.
Amazing operator. Stanley, we're on your job site today. You guys are replacing a sewer at someone's private home, right?
Yes.
So we were here yesterday. We got the piping all the way to the sidewalk. And now tell me, where are you guys today?
Well, today we dug the street. We're about to install the pipe.
Okay.
The pipe up to the spur, the city sewer.
Okay.
So we're about to do that now, and then we gotta wait for the inspector to get a final inspection.
So we're on time right now, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, any trouble so far?
No, not at all.
All right, why don't you show us where we're at?
Okay.
All right, come on. Stanley, what do you got in your hand there?
This is Oakum. This is where we have to put this around the pipe at the spur so the cement doesn't get inside once we seal it with the cement. The purpose is to stop the cement from going into the pipe itself.
Gotcha. It's pretty good digging soil, right?
Yeah.
So where are we at?
We're about to install the final piece of pipe
Okay.
from the spur to the pipe we left off yesterday.
And who we got in the hole there? Edward, how are you?
All right, sir.
Everything good?
Yes, man.
That's my main mechanic down here, Edward, better known as Rambo.
Rambo. So this is the final piece, right?
Yeah, the joints are sealed with the rubber gasket.
Yep.
We got to grease it, lubricate it in order to get it in. Sorry about that.
Okay, so we got Anthony going down there to give him a hand too, right? Yeah. Anthony, how you doing? You good? How do they know when they get a good seal on?
The sound when it hit.
Yeah? Oh, and then you hit it. Okay. They're gonna lift it up
Yes,
and then push it right down on top of each other. What do they need, a little more play from the pipe? Doesn't make it too easy working under the water main, huh?
No.
Rambo, what are you using the oakum for?
I want to put the oakum to the spur.
Okay.
You know, you want to put the oakum, everything in the side, and later put the cement when the pelto come.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I want to wait for the pelto, I put the cement.
Gotcha. See,
When the pelto want to see the oakum.
so no cement until the inspector shows up.
Bingo.
Ready for inspection now.
Yeah, man.
Good job, Anthony. So Stanley, now you guys gonna start the water now?
Yeah.
That's the existing tap right there that we disconnected already, the old main from?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna pull the copper through,
Okay.
hook up the inside, and then last thing we hook up the outside here.
Gotcha. Stanley, the way you have your crew set up, it seems like everybody has their designated roles, right? You guys work as one good unit. Seems like you didn't have to tell anybody what to do. Everyone knows their role, and that's how you guys work most efficiently, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you just show me how you have this whole area? I see we have everything roped off, safety reasons. There's no pedestrians or vehicular traffic. I see actually that we have a barricade in the middle of the road. Tell me, it looks like we have a street closure here.
Definitely. Yeah,
You wanna walk me through?
Of the cars park on the opposite side of the sewer,
Uh-huh.
there's not enough room for them to get by, so we have to call for a street closure.
So we called for the street closure, barricaded all the way at the far end, because we're at the opposite end of the block here.
Yes, so we barricade the opposite end.
Yep.
We put the street closure sign. Then we have the men at work sign in the middle here.
Just so people know if they do happen to come up, if someone does drive by it, or if someone's walking, they know there's actually work going on here.
And then we have another barricade here
Okay.
with the permit number and everything on it.
So we're all in compliance.
Yes.
And so you got everything roped off, because earlier when I was here, there was, we had, obviously neighbors get curious, they want to see what's going on. So it's important to, you want to keep them away from the hole.
Definitely.
Yeah, it looks like you guys did a great job having everything set up here. Yesterday, you guys installed the sewer from
in the trap.
Okay.
Install a new trap. up to the curb line.
Okay. So we already got inspection over here yesterday, right?
We got inspection from the truck to the curb line, maybe like 35 feet of pipe.
Okay.
16 extra heavy gas line.
We still have some backfilling to do in here.
Yeah, we have to do a little touch up here.
We're going to touch up. This is the old water line.
Yes.
Cut that out and then make sure, obviously, you know, when we're done, everything gets leveled off and plated.
Yes.
All right, great. After the guys are done getting reorganized, you're going to start working on the water?
Yes, definitely.
All right, great. So Stanley, who do you have driving for you today?
Manny.
Manny's scheduled to be here?
Yeah.
And what is he doing? It looks like the dirt was pretty good, or?
Yeah, but we have some debris of the asphalt and the concrete that we broke out from this street.
Okay.
So he had to pick up all the excess stuff.
Does he have any clean fill too, or you should be good?
No, we're good, we're good. We're gonna backfill it, leave it down for paving and blade it off.
Gotcha. We have Manny here. Manny's one of our Mack drivers. As you can see, he's obviously a very skilled driver if he could drive this big Kenworth, right, Manny?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Anthony, what are you working on?
Water Main.
What pieces exactly?
This is the top.
Oh, it's the gooseneck that's going to go to the tap, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Making sure everything's tight.
Yeah. This one is inside.
That's the inside piece?
Yeah.
So it helps to
Right.
pre-make them, right? Yep, it's your ball valve.
Turn it off.
There it is. Thanks, Anthony. Edward, what are you doing?
I want to put the copper out.
Okay. So yesterday, they already installed the sewer pipe from the inside to the curb here. So in anticipation, they already started pulling the water main. So that's the new water main right there. So that way you're gonna hook the chain up to it, right?
Yeah.
While we're waiting for DEP to come to give us final inspection on the sewer, just wanted to take this time again just to reintroduce this great crew that we have. It's led by Stanley, Warren. We have Edward, Anthony M, Anthony C, and the cleanest driver ever, we have Manny. Thanks for watching our video.
So.
Thank you.